Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access Zarchiver data. First, ensure you have the Zarchiver application installed on your Android device. This versatile tool helps you manage compressed files like zip, rar, and 7z. We'll cover navigating its interface to locate your archived content, then move on to extracting and organizing your files. It's a straightforward process once you understand the basic steps, making file management much easier. To locate your archived files, simply open the Zarchiver application. You'll see a file browser interface, much like your device's native file manager. Navigate through your internal storage or any connected SD card to find the folder containing your archives. Many users find their downloaded archives in the Download folder, but they could also be in specific application directories. Just tap on folders to open them and browse their contents. Once you've found your archive, extracting its contents is simple. Tap on the archive file and a menu will appear. You can choose Extract here to decompress the files directly into the current folder. Alternatively, select Extract to pick a different destination folder for your extracted data. Zarchiver handles a wide range of formats, including popular ones like zip, rar, 7z, and even ISO images, making it incredibly versatile for all your archiving needs. After successfully extracting your data, you'll find the new files and folders in your chosen location. Now, you can manage them just like any other file on your device. Long press on a file or folder to bring up options like Copy, Cut, Paste, or Delete. It's a good practice to organize your extracted content into new, descriptive folders to keep your device tidy and ensure easy access to your important information whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.